Hello, yes, Rachel Victory, aka Rachel Shege. I am here with you to have a little discussion. I know you have been asking, why is this girl? I know I have been off for quite some times, but today I am here with you, and I know we are going to have a very good, helpful discussion. First and foremost, I thank God for giving me this opportunity to be here with you. It's by the grace of God I am alive, or you are alive. The day like today, we cannot take it for granted. Yeah, we count it as a miracle because this is real miracle. Because as we talk, so many people have been succumbed, by COVID. Yeah, a lot of people have lost their life through COVID and some other diseases. So being alive, it's it by grace of God, as we say. I am here to urge you or to encourage you all my friends, because I know I have so many friends. I am a gospel minister, as you see in my channel, Rachel Victory channel. I minister with music, and I thank God for giving me that gift. It make me reach a lot of people, and because of that gift I have a lot of friends, and because of that, that's why I'm here today to have a talk, me and you. I want to tell you that COVID-19 is a very serious and a deadly disease. I have been a victim, and I can attest COVID-19 is not a joke. So, because I know you know that, it's good to take all measures, all cautions to protect yourself, not to be a victim and not to be exposed, and also not to expose others, because seriously, this is a very serious, deadly disease. And for those who have been affected, they know that. I know a lot of people, they have lost their beloved ones, very close relatives through COVID, their siblings, their parents, their kids, because of this deadly evil disease. So it's very good to take care of yourself and also to take care of others. Why do I say that? I say that because I know how it can affect you, and how it can affect the entire family, how it can affect the entire community, even the whole country. And you guys, you know that, you are my witness. Okay, I can say this: if you get chance to go get vaccine, please do it. It's very important for your healthy, to take care of yourself. It's okay to pray and to trust in God not to have COVID, but it's also very important to go get a vaccine to protect yourself, and also, to protect your life. because I know there is one Sakura musician. He sang and he said that the life of a human being or of anything is not like an ID or identity card. You can lose your identity card, go report and have another one, have a replacement. But if you lost your life, you're not going to replace it. That's it. That is your aid. So it's very good to take care of yourself. It's good to be on the safe side. For those who have already gotten their vaccine, they are more safe than those who haven't. If you haven't get vaccine, you're not safe. You know, lots of people, they have been asking themselves, why do I have to get vaccine and continue, protecting myself, like using mask and doing all the other stuff, like keeping distance, washing my head, and all those kind of stuff. That is for your own benefit. And having vaccine, that doesn't mean that you cannot be sick. You can be sick, but you cannot be affected like the person who not yet gotten the vaccine. So for me, I have witnessed, people who have been not already received the vaccine getting sick, and also people who have already having vaccine getting sick too. So as I talk, I know there is a very big difference. Okay, so I am here because I love you, my friend. I know you guys love me too, and it's good to tell people the truth that COVID-19 is very, very, very dangerous disease. Yes, I have been sick, and it's a bad thing. I'm a mother of two, and the time I have been sick, it was hard even to take care of my kids. Yeah, and it's so very, scary because you don't want, to expose your kids. I work in a healthcare, and when I realized that I'm sick, I was so scared. I was asking myself, oh my God, do I took all the cautions? Have I protected, my coworkers? Have I protected, the clients? I was worrying about all those kind of stuff, but luckily, I thank God because the place where I work is the best place, as I say, because, they already provided us with everything we need to make sure that we are safe and our clients are safe. And we have been practicing, all the safety measures to make sure that we are not exposed, and even the other people are not exposed. I don't know where I get it, I can't tell, but I thank God because I could manage to contain it, so I didn't expose to, my household, so nobody else in my house, was affected. I mean, as in nobody else was sick, and I'm very sure even where I work, I didn't, expose others, because when I realized that I'm not feeling good, I had to go to take a test to make sure that I'm not, thinking something else. And when I went to take a test, it became positive. And thank God, because I think it wasn't too late. So I was already protected others, so I didn't expose anybody. What do I want to say? I want to say this. It's very good to protect yourself and also to protect others. Go get a vaccine. Don't listen to those people who have, their own, trying to analyze and talk about other stuffs which they, cannot prove. So if you're sick, make sure that you don't expose others. Try to contain it as much as you can. And if you know, or if you're thinking that you may be exposed, go take some test and make sure that you're okay. And if you're not okay, do not panic. Take care of yourself. Go to the hospital, see the doctor, seek some medical advice, seek some medical help, and you're going to be okay. Getting COVID, that's not a death sentence. It doesn't mean that because other people's they're already dead because of COVID that you're going to die. No, you don't have to think that you're gonna die because you get COVID. Take care of yourself. Go to the hospital. Try to use the home remedy as much as you can, like taking a lot of fruits. Try to steam yourself. Try to do as much as you can to help yourself, because you can. I was there, I did it, and by God's grace, I am okay now. So I want to say this: take care of yourself, take care of other people. Don't expose yourself, don't expose other people. Yes.